Another simple little addition to your meal prep or your nightly dinner. Neighbor of mine got a hold of 4 baskets of cherry tomatoes. Didn't ask questions, she brought them over. I'm gonna use them. Pretty simple what we're gonna do here. Olive oil. Pepper. Yes. Salt, of course. And 1 bulb of garlic. Mix it all up. Put it in the oven. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. You'll know what it's going to look like when it comes out. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. You saw me make the gnocchis. That'd be great with it. We could add a little sausage to the tomatoes and garlic and the gnocchi. But I think maybe I'm going to have a nice piece of fish with some of this sauce right over the top of it. So we'll see. I just took these out. If you could smell this place, you would. If you want me to do something with this right now, the garlic is amazing. The tomatoes are blistered. They're perfect. They're not overdone. They're not really crisp. They're not charred at all. They're absolutely fantastic. All of this is. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but something to keep. Like I said, I might put a piece of fish over it tomorrow for dinner. I think that's what I'm probably going to do. Freeze some of it. Maybe do the gnocchi with part of it. But it smells good. Looks good. Super easy. Again, YouTube channel, please follow me or subscribe. Make It Italian 1. You get to see more of this stuff. That's it. And maybe Daisy. Where did she go? Next time.